Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Neil Hudspeth, and I'd like to welcome you to this presentation and thank you for your interest in the Pro-Reporting for Metastorm BPM Process Pod developed by FYI Business Solutions. We are joined today by Dave Beatman, Solutions Architect, and Narisha Majure, BI Solutions Specialist at FYI Business Solutions, who provide an introductory look at the Pro-Reporting Process Pod. For those of you not familiar with Metastorm, I'd like to take a couple of minutes to introduce our organization and our Process Pod program. But if you'd like to see these slides in full screen mode, click on F5 and that will take you there. Clicking on F5 again will bring you back out of full screen mode. Metastorm is a company that has always specialized in process. With a focus on enterprise visibility, efficiency and agility, Metastorm offers market-leading software for enterprise and business architecture, business process analysis and business process management. As an integrated product portfolio, Metastorm Enterprise allows organizations to improve business results by better aligning strategy with execution. In combining the power of these three disciplines onto a common platform, Metastorm is helping organizations worldwide focus on the right business improvements, instill stronger governance, and accelerate time to value. Each solution in the Metastorm Enterprise portfolio can operate standalone or in combination. Combined, these applications provide enterprise visibility and agility, allowing both business and IT users to assess the impact of key decisions, identify new opportunities for improvement, and improve overall performance for strategic advantage. The Metastorm Process Pod program is designed to help customers accelerate process improvement initiatives. The Pro-Reporting Process Pod from FYI Business Solutions is based around Metastorm BPM, a highly scalable enterprise BPM suite designed to support automation, deployment, integration, analysis, monitoring, and improvement of both human and system-based processes within and across organizations. The Pro-Reporting Pod focuses on delivering insight and understanding into how the processes you have deployed with Metastorm BPM are operating. I'm delighted to introduce Dave Beatman from FYI Business Solutions to provide an overview of this offering. Over to you, Dave.
Thank you, Neil. We're going to show you a demo of our pod momentarily so that you can see the pod in action. First, though, it's helpful to know exactly what Pro-Reporting can do for you. Metastorm provides the process and data to answer critical business questions concerning the who, what, when, where, how, and how much with respect to your business processes. Pro-Reporting takes these answers and creates brilliant visuals that drive instantaneous understanding and insight into how your processes are working. Pro-Reporting provides the keys to unlocking the Metastorm process data and delivers immediate visibility into your processes. I now have the pleasure of introducing Narisha Majure, our BI Solutions Specialist, who will demonstrate Pro-Reporting for you.
Thank you, Dave. The top-level view of the Pro-Reporting Pod starts with KPIs, also known as Key Performance Indicators. As you can see, you can select any process. In our demo, we've selected the asset creation process and selected our variable ranges and time frames. The result is a panel of three sets of KPIs: average time to complete a stage, average folder age by current stage, and average event count by stage. The color-coded icons to the left of each measurement indicate whether or not that particular KPI should be further inspected. Now click on the Process Activity tab. Here you'll get a dashboard of the top views: recent activity, folder count by stage, process count by originator, and on-time breakdown, which shows folders by status. Instantaneously, you can see how well this current process is doing by viewing its activity. Many areas of these graphs are clickable so that the user can drill down into successively more detail. Now click on the Process Detail tab. This tab gives you an even greater level of detail. As you can see, now you can look at the recent activity by stage, recent activity by originator, recent activity by user, and recent activity levels. You can get this level of detail for every process that you have in Metastorm. Now, one of the things you might be wondering is how much work is involved for the customer in setting up these reports. Almost all of the information derived in these reports is pulled directly out of the data and the metadata of your Metastorm implementation. Your total setup for this pod with your Metastorm implementation is likely to take between 30 minutes and 1 hour. I would like to go into the ad hoc reporting studio of the pod. If you click on Query Studio at the top, you can create your own ad hoc queries using the power of Cognos' reporting engine. Click on the plus sign beside the Process Query subject and drag over to the open surface the Process Map data item. Expand Query Subject Stage Event History and drag over the Stage and Stage Sequence Number data items. Finally, add the metric Event Time to Complete in days from Folder Process Instance. We can filter on the asset creation process, and easily sort by the stage sequence number. Then click on the chart icon at the top icon bar, about midway, and select a chart type. Voila! You now have custom reporting. I'm going to now hand over to Dave.
Thanks, Narisha. We specifically built the PROreporting pod to jumpstart reporting implementations. For many customers, the PROreporting pod will be all that you need to immediately produce the reports and dashboards you need. A prerequisite for PROreporting is either Cognos 8 or Microsoft SQL Reporting Services as the reporting analytics engine. We specifically chose both Cognos and Microsoft Reporting Services as the back engine for their depth in reporting functionality. Then, we added our knowledge of the Metastorm process engine and built a unified framework model. The result is a pre-built reporting package that is highly and broadly applicable to most Metastorm customers. One of the key features of the PROreporting pod is the time that you'll save. Our pod has a very simple installation process. Most customers will have it up and running in 30 minutes. You'll have instantaneous reports that are specific to your Metastorm implementation. While not at all necessary, we're including up to 2 hours of access to one of our experts. Perhaps you'd like someone to walk you through the installation steps. Or you might have questions about some of the ad hoc reporting capabilities. Or maybe you'd just like us to be your co-pilot as you successfully navigate your way through the pod. It's part of our overall commitment to making your experience as easy and seamless as possible. PROreporting installation provides over a dozen standard reports. These reports are based on the standard Metastorm data tables. Certainly, ad hoc reports can be created using Cognos reporting facilities, as we have demonstrated using Query Studio. For those of you who are looking for additional reporting, we are the best at producing the custom reports. PROreporting can be customized to access any custom tables, and that are specific to your installation of Metastorm. Who are we? We are FYI Business Solutions, and we are the preeminent reporting experts for Metastorm. We have core competencies in BPM, BI, project governance, and e-solutions. Our customer relationships span 25 years, and we have been fortunate to work with, and continue to work with, many market-leading companies. The pod solution is the culmination of direct feedback from our customers and our unique crossover experience in both the BI and BPM arenas. Now I'd like to hand it back to Neil.
Thank you, Dave, and thank you, Narisha, for that presentation and demonstration. And thank you to our viewers for your interest in this Metastorm Process Pod. If you'd like more information about PROreporting for Metastorm BPM, please contact FYI Business Solutions or Metastorm using the contact information provided on this slide. Thanks again for your time in viewing this pod, and goodbye.